what they are? Just trying to piss off.
Don't just be bored. My mom is going to pop up there. I don't teach them how to make something. This is a YouTube recipe. Several different things in an hour or minute or not a second. You can't do it in a second.
Well, when I was little, this was the first thing I ever learned how to make. As a little kid, I was probably your age, Lee.
6?
Yeah. I made grilled cheese sandwiches.
So she's going to teach you how to make your grill.
First of all, you have to start out with a really good bread, and we use, I think it's a brownberry, oat nut bread.
And it has 80 on it.
Well,
Make sure to see if it has 80 on it.
It has 80 calories, is what it's saying, per serving.
And you better have it with the 80 calories on it.
And we put this butter side down in the skillet. Now, it's custom in this house that when I make grilled cheese sandwiches, that Daddy gets a piece of bread and butter. Right?
Yep. I was waiting for it.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I remember after your last chef outing, I saw it laying on the floor somewhere, your purple chef shirt. I'm like, well, that's a strange place for it. And I'm thinking, oh, that's right, she had a bad night. I don't remember where that was.
Oh. It was in here, I thought. So I've got 2 pieces of bread with butter on them face down right now. So now I'm going to go over and put the cheese on them.
A piece of cake. A piece of cheesy.
What did you do with it, huh?
What?
What did you do with it?
Oh, no.
Did you throw it away in disgust?
No. No. No, I love that shirt. I love that color. Now the cheese is on it. I'm going to grab 2 more pieces of bread and put that on top of the cheese.
Remember, this is not just a normal recipe. It's an online recipe.
That's right.
So if you go on your YouTube and you're like,
Now another thing you do is you can make bacon and make a bacon grilled cheese sandwich.
any types of grilled.
You could also do, instead of the butter and the cheese only, put butter on it, but on that side of just cheese, put yourself some pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and some pepperoni. And you can have a grilled cheese pizza sandwich.
Then your family would have a yummy night or yummy day. Because it's nighttime here.
And also, if you have a panini press, both sides get done at the same time. It's pretty nice.
And that's actually true.
I do have one, but I'm not going to dig it out for just a quick couple of sandwiches.
Creating a grilled cheese sandwich is kind of hard.
Oh, not really.
Kind of. Not too hard. Sorry for this noise. I really don't need that for the video. It's not like that type of video. They like mess around. Like boop, 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 boop.
And right now, my 2 sandwiches look like this so far. I just split them golden brown, perfect.
I need a cheer from you.
But today I spent the day working on the lesson for tomorrow. I will be teaching at the Learning Kitchen how to make pad thai. It's delicious. And before that, your appetizer would be deliciously fresh, crisp, no preservatives spring rolls. Delicious. And learn how to make my own ginger soy sauce. Yes. Now I'll never need to go to a restaurant again because I can make everything here.
She's a good cook.
Pretty cool.
He's a good cook in the family.
Thank you. That's very sweet of you. Okay, I got a lot to learn. But I'm learning. What else? Anything else?
Anything else you should cook?
Lee still hasn't told me what he wants for dinner, so I'm assuming he wants a party pizza or some chicken nuggets. I'm not sure which one he wants.
I want a hamburger. Now, if you don't know how to make the hamburger, she can teach you too.
If we had hamburger.
Well, look.
Sorry.
You don't?
No. I didn't know you wanted a hamburger. Shoot. What else would you like to have?
Chicken nuggets.
Do you want regular chicken or chicken nuggets?
Chicken nuggets. That's what I choose. I need a new stool. A different stool. It's not a good stool to use.
Where's Daddy?
Sorry before I'm scratching the floor. Mommy,
What?
the video's still going.
I am done. I'm just waiting for Daddy. There's nothing else to do.
Well,
I mean, it's just, I got these, I'm keeping these in the pan just to keep it warm, but I've turned everything off. They're done.
I'll show off the house. This is our dining room where we actually eat. Yep. But then this way. This is where we eat. And this is where my mom cooks and my dad.
Daddy cooks in here?
Yeah. Of course he does. You know he does.